Welcome back to the Frugal Prof channel on YouTube, tips to level up your financial life. And if you like this video, please like it because it helps the algorithm and it tells people it's a good video. And at the end, I'm actually working on another video, what Goldman Sachs institutional clients are, how they're positioning themselves for the election, which should be good. So if you want to see that, comment down below. I'm working on that. It should be done soon. So heading into the day, the S&P was down 7.5% for September, NASDAQ down 9.7%, and FANG stocks down 11% each. So we started off the morning pretty much flat, down 34 first thing in the morning. Everyone's waiting on the jobless claims, and they came in 20,000 higher than expected. Futures dropped 200 points. And off we go. Then later in the day, Powell and Mnuchin were testifying in front of the banking committee, and they mentioned forgiving the loans to the smaller loans that have been given out in the PPP program. And as the day wore on, the market got more bullish that more stimulus was coming. So we turned green, middle of the day, and then later in the day, Amazon was rolling out some new products. This new drone that they have is incredible, and everyone's talking about it. They have a drone that's going to fly around the inside of your house as a security device. Very, very cool. And then towards the end of the day, stocks basically ended slightly higher. Not much news moving this market, to tell you the truth. And like I said, I'm working on this other video, how Goldman Sachs institutional clients are positioning for the election. We're really kind of getting into that stage where there's not a lot of new money that wants to commit depending on what's going to happen with the election. I think you're going to see that play out. And so we ended the day, as you can see, up 50. And those were basically the major headlines of the day. So like I said, I've got this other video coming, and if you like this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel for more updates. Have a great day. Thanks.